If you're looking to make your LeadPages page GDPR compliant, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the essential steps to make sure your LeadPages page is fully aligned with GDPR so you can stay on the right side of the law and build trust with your users. Now, let's get straight into it. First things first, GDPR compliance starts with ensuring that you're handling personal data responsibly. On your LeadPages page, this usually means updating your form fields to be transparent about the data you're collecting and how it will be used. LeadPages makes this easy by offering the option to add custom consent checkboxes to your forms. Next, you'll want to update your privacy policy. This is a crucial part of GDPR compliance. Make sure your privacy policy is clear, concise, and easily accessible from your LeadPages landing page. You can add a link to your policy in the footer or next to any form where you're collecting personal data. This lets users know exactly what you're doing with their information. The third thing to consider is data retention. GDPR requires that you don't keep personal data for longer than necessary. In LeadPages, you should ensure that any data you collect is stored only for as long as you need it for your specific purpose. If you no longer need it, make sure to delete it. LeadPages doesn't have a built-in feature for automatic data deletion, so it's something you'll need to manually monitor. Moving on to the fourth thing, cookies. Many LeadPages pages will use cookies to track visitors, and this is another area where GDPR requires attention. You'll need to inform visitors that cookies are being used and give them the option to opt in. LeadPages doesn't have a native cookie banner feature, so you'll need to integrate a third-party tool, like CookieBot, to get this right. And the fifth thing you need to address is consent for email marketing. When using LeadPages to capture emails, you need to ensure you're getting explicit consent from your visitors before adding them to your email list. LeadPages allows you to add a checkbox to your forms, but make sure the language you use is clear and unambiguous about how their email address will be used. Now, after covering the basics of GDPR compliance in LeadPages, let me be honest. While LeadPages is a solid option, it's not the most flexible or robust for GDPR needs. There are some better alternatives out there that give you more control and have built-in features specifically designed to meet GDPR requirements. In fact, we've partnered with one of those competitors to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description. This software not only has excellent GDPR compliance features, but is also better suited for businesses that want an all-in-one solution for handling personal data securely and efficiently. So, if you're serious about making sure your landing pages are not only GDPR compliant, but also offer a better overall experience, check out the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Make sure to click the link and get started on the best solution for your business.